All right, so we have another question, and the question says the second, third, and fourth terms of an AP are x. This is x minus 2. This is x minus 2. Let's have a minus sign here. X minus 2, 5, and x plus 2, respectively. We are asked to calculate for the value of x. So pause the video, try to solve it, and when you're done, we're going to compare our answers together. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so I believe you've gotten your answer, and let's take solution. All right, so we're told that the second term is what? Second term is x minus 2. X minus 2. All right, we told that third term is equal to 5, and of course the fourth term, you're told that the fourth term is x plus 2. All right, and we are asked to find x. Now, for us to find this x, we're going to make use of what we call the common difference. We're make use of what we call the common difference. We're going to find the common. Let's find the common difference as if we are solving for the common difference, and that is we have second value. We have second term, comma. Remember, we have third term. We have the fourth. We have the fourth term. If you are to solve for the common difference here, the common difference here will simply be this third term. It will be this third term minus the second term. Third minus second. Third minus second will give you the common difference. Third minus second, and it will be the same. If you are finding it using this other one, fourth term minus third term. So it must be the same. You say fourth term minus third term. Okay, so in this case now, what's the third term here is what? The third term here is 5. So we subtract the second term from it. And what's the second term? The second term here is what we've been given, and that is x minus 2. And we say it must be the same thing if we are also finding it from this other way around. The fourth term here is what? Fourth term here, we're told that this is x plus 2. So x plus 2, subtract it from the third term. The third term is 5 minus 5. It should be the same thing. Now we need to open the bracket, and opening the bracket will bring down the 5 here. This minus here affects this bracket inside, but it remains. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, better. Okay, so this here is going to become minus x. It's going to become, all right, it's going to become minus x, and this minus will affect this minus here, becomes plus 2. Okay, we say equals to. Okay, we just open up this one at once. Just opening it up, and that is x plus 2, then minus 5, All right, I'll try to create something here. Minus 5. Now what we're having here, we're gonna collect like terms. So around here, just rearranging it, that is this 5 here, this plus 2 moves over, and it becomes 5 plus 2. So that moves over, it becomes 5 plus 2. The x still remains as minus x. Okay, let's just use one color. Let's use one color. Okay, for the numbers, let's maintain our rate for the numbers. So all number now will be x plus 2, and the later we'll have another single color, x plus 2 minus x now equals where we have these numbers now, we don't subtract. Now we still have our x here and it remains, whereas this here becomes plus 2 minus 5, and that will give us minus 3. So here becomes minus 3. All right, let's write it out. Minus 3. Okay, so adding this up, 5 plus 2 will give us 7, and then of course minus the x, and that gives us equals to x minus 3 equals to x minus 3. All right, x minus 3. All right, we can now collect like terms, letters to letters, numbers to numbers. So here we can now have 7. This minus 3 crosses over, it becomes plus 3. All right, equals to this x remains here, and then the other x will cross over. When it crosses over, everything is going to change, and this x remains, this one crosses over, it becomes plus x, of course. And here 7 plus 3 is 10, equals to now x plus x here is 2x. X plus x here is 2x. All right, so we're looking for x, and we can divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is the coefficient of x is 2. Divide both sides here by 2. Okay, and to cancel here, and then 2 cancel here, and it's 5. So x is written as x equals to 5. That was the correct answer. It was a theory question. There were no options. It was theory question 11, question 11b. So we were given this question as second term, third term, and fourth term of an AP. Were given as x minus 2, 5, and x plus 2, and we are asked to find the value of x. So we just wrote it out, the values for each of the terms. Second term, this was it. Third term, fourth term, and we just find a common difference, arranging them, second, third, fourth, and then to find the common difference will be third term minus second term, which is also the same thing. You also have the same thing, the same common difference if you are subtracting third term from fourth term, and the third term is 5. Third term is 5. Second term is x minus 1. So we subtracted it, and we did the same thing here. Solve for x, and we had as 5. All right, so we'll see you in the next class. Bye.